Hey guys, and welcome to a new video. I saw this black Christmas ornament and I thought it would be so cute to draw them on my nails, so let's get started with the tutorial. After you finished your nail care, apply a base coat. Give this video a thumbs up if I should film another Christmas nail art tutorial. Draw black circles using a brush. Make sure to also add some ornaments which are cut off. Add a second coat of black and then grab a gold glittery polish. Add a bit of the gold glitter polish on top of each ball. Lastly, fill in the empty parts with some tiny black dots. For the second design, let's do a glitter gradient. For the tip of the nail, I'm using a sponge to be able to apply the glitter a lot more densely than on the bottom. Finally, we can seal in the design with some top coat and the nails are ready for Christmas. Here's the finished design and I personally love it, but if you don't want to show that much naked nail, just go ahead and add a base color. I also totally understand that not everyone likes black on Christmas, so go ahead and choose the color you personally love. If you'd like to see some more Christmas nail art inspiration, I filmed a ton of videos in the past, so I'm gonna link you the playlist, so go ahead and look at the videos and get inspired. Thank you very much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!